Good morning, everyone. So today we're gonna bring you out on a run. Or no, we're actually gonna film the whole day today, what we're doing in a day. But we're gonna start the day with a run. So
how fast are we running?
I don't know how fast, but I know that we're gonna run roughly 7k. But now it's just over 3 weeks until the Hyrox race. So now we need to push that little extra.
Yes.
So now eat a little banana, and see you by the beach. By the way, while eating my banana, I was just thinking of Jay thinks I'm a weirdo, but I'm opening the banana from from this end. Apparently that's wrong.
So weird.
So I don't know. Am I the weird one, or is Jay the weird one? I know the answer to this. Okay, we made it down to the beach. Pretty amazing view of this. So we're gonna bring our phone instead because it's a bit hard to run with a proper camera.
So I got a little bit excited towards the end there and had to take off from Lavisa, get some negative splits in. I go a bit crazy sometimes and I just need it. But here comes the champion. Let's go. How's that?
That was tough.
That was good, you crushed it.
Okay, after not running for 2 weeks, that was quite tough.
It's spicy getting back into running, that's for sure.
And it's like a lot of hills and it was sand, but we did it. Now time for some water.
Need that.
So it's only one place we buy bread from, and that is Rick's. They have the absolute best sourdough ever. So we do our normal food shop at the shops, and then we buy our bread separately. So this is where the magic happens. So that's gonna be our breakfast.
Nom 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 nom.
Here we have the gold. And so good, they slice it for you as well.
Alright, so back home now in the kitchen, gonna cook up some eggs, make some coffee, and get this day started.
I'm making my little daily greens. Supposed to have them straight away when I wake up, but if I drink this before I run, I'm gonna pee a lot.
How good is that? Come on. I don't know, there's something about that that's just the best way to start the day. Coffee coming out of the snozzle, whatever it's called.
Little insight in our kitchen. Our cooking stove is not working, so this is what we're working with at the moment. And it works great. Look how beautiful these eggs are. So we have some sourdough, we got some avocado, and we got some eggs. Jay's normal order is 4 eggs. My normal order is 2 eggs and 1 egg white. And we also got half of a grapefruit.
Yum, yum, yum. Straight from home. And over here, we got the cafe. Exciting. Ready for that.
Okay, we've now been home for a while. We have had our breakfast. We have done some washing. Just sitting down and chilling for a little bit. Had a shower, freshen up, and now we're gonna go to the gym. So we are going to film some content, we're going to take some photos, and we're also going to train. So this workout is probably going to be a little bit more strength focused, but high rocks workout. So still high intense, but some strength focus. So follow along.
How good do you feel after that?
Oh wow, that was a tough workout.
Death.
That was proper death. Jay pushed me to go heavy on the sled push as we are both going pro individual in high rocks in just, what is it? Nearly 2 months, less than 2 months. I think it's a 200 kilo sled. What do you think it is?
For me, this one is just about maybe 180, 190.
There we have it. The devil itself. Now, but we will clip in here what we did. It's a last little extra push now before the next race. Each session is death.
But now, time to go home, eat some food, rest a little bit, and then we will take you to coaching with us this evening.
Yeah.
So coaching at F45, and after that, food and sleep.
That's our lives. Train, food, coach, food, sleep. All right, see you soon.
All right, after the workout, for me, is a little shake. Just need to get...
It's not very small.
Yeah, it's a big shake, but just need to get some calories in straight away, some food to refuel. So in here, I've got 1 banana, I've got a bit of frozen mango, some vegan protein powder, some passion fruit, and milk. From there, we didn't have enough food, so this is my substitute. On top of that, we're going to cook up some eggs, some chicken, make a wrap, some salad. It's going to be good.
Okay, lunchtime. Yesterday we bought a pre-made grilled chicken. And this is what we had left. So, and it's not enough for both of us, so we're gonna put that in a pan, add some eggs in just to add some more volume and some more protein in it, and then we're gonna make some wraps. So that will be good. Okay, and we will add some eggs. We eat a lot of eggs in this household. Maybe usually not eggs for lunch, but we eat eggs for breakfast maybe 80% of all the days in the week. A little bit of salt. And it's done, and it looks like this. Yum!
And Jay's reaction of the food. Oh my god, this woman, she can cook a bloody wrap. Thanks, Lisa.
You haven't tried it yet.
Oh, well, it looks really good.
Cheers.
Skull, I've already started to eat, and it's really good.
So we both have ordered a new pair of shoes. I ordered mine last week. They have not arrived. From the same place. Jay ordered his on Tuesday. Today's Thursday.
Paid an extra $10 and got express delivery, and look what paid off.
And I'm a bit disappointed.
I'm not gonna lie, this box feels very light.
Ooh, that means fast
Which
shoes.
means fast shoes.
So, Jay has been in love with the Puma Deviate, what's it called? Nitro. So he ordered the new model.
Oi, 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 oi. If this doesn't look fast, I don't know what does. Look at that. It looks that doesn't look fast. Look, it's got a freaking shark fin on the back. That means it goes extra fast. Look at that thing. That's the wind will hit that and then shoot off the back, and then I'm gonna double my speed.
Do they look different?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm very happy with these.
So yeah, this is the model. What's it called? What are they
DV8 Nitro 3.
Yeah.
So yes.
Not gonna lie, I'm very jealous that I haven't got mine.
PWR plates. I decided to not go for the elite version of these shoes because the elite version, from what I understand, is just for a little bit more competition and potentially not the best everyday trainer. And right now I'm looking for just a training shoe, plus this will be new enough for when the race comes up so I can race in them. So, and it says nitro, which means it gives me nitro speed.
So,
like that.
As you can see, what's special with these shoes, they're from Puma, which obviously is, they're collaborating with Hyrox. And what's special with these, obviously good running shoes, but especially like the grip. So when you do like the lunges and the sled, you want to have good grip and stable shoes. I will say
though, on the DV8 Nitro 2s, there was a bit more grip up the front. Here, it sort of came up a bit higher, but these look fresh, they look fast, and I cannot wait to wear these, try them on.
God, we sound geeky, don't we?
Yeah.
Hey, the shoes are on.
Shoes are on, and I'm feeling fast.
Give us a sprint. Give us a burpee. There we go.
Yeah, real good.
Give us a close up.
Yeah, come around here.
Oh my god, look at that.
What's going on? What are you doing now?
First of all, welcome to our not really ready office.
But I'm sitting here building up our program that we're very soon gonna launch. It is a 12-week program for Hyrox. Basically anyone can join it, either if you are gonna do the race or if you're not doing the race. It's basically a 12-week program for you to become the absolute best to be able to perform a Hyrox. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm building the program. So that's very exciting. We can't wait to launch it. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. But very soon we're going to have a little snack, I would guess. And then we're going to work to go and coach. We need to leave pretty soon, I just realized. So we need to make a snack now. And I need to put on some other clothes. Okay, we're just about to go to work. But firstly, we need a snack to survive before dinner later on. Our go-to snack here is a YoPro yogurt. So that's basically a protein yogurt topped with banana and some corn things, which is rice cakes or corn cakes. So yeah.
Right now it is 3:20 in the afternoon and we're heading in to coach at F45 in Noosa. We've got some nice busy classes this afternoon, nice strength workout that we're going to take everyone through. Buzzed?
Very buzzed. Well, I usually have quite buzzing music on, but right now we can't.
Yeah.
But that's how I'm getting buzzed.
One thing I'm very excited about is these bad boys. I'm going to test them out tonight, so let's see how they go.
Test them up in the warm-up.
Yeah.
Perfect way. Okay, here we are. This is our little working spot. So welcome to F45.
Ready for the afternoon session.
So it looks like a really good one. They're going to do some testing today, so that's fun. The class starts in 15 minutes, so very soon people will drop in. Usually the evenings here are not very busy, but it's always a very good cruise, so that's fun. So we have 3 classes, and then after that we're going home, eating dinner, and then sleep.
Catch some Z's.
Yeah, that's a wrap. Oh, silence. So we now set up the gym floor for the Friday workout tomorrow. It looks like a brutal one. 1,000 reps. is what they are gonna do tomorrow. So, look at this. Oh, okay. Oh, lights on again. Yeah, we need to turn off the TVs. Yeah, that was a pretty quiet night, but we brought the vibe. It was fun. We had fun with the members. So now we're gonna go home, have a shower, eat some dinner, just rest a bit on the couch before we go to bed. See you at home.
Now we're at the best part of the evening. Dinner time! We got some chicken, broccoli. Louisa made a bit of a curry yesterday. And one thing I noticed when I came out here is down on the ground there's some white marks. Louisa, care to explain yourself?
I dropped a bit of my food container. I dropped a bit of the...
So I'm in the shower and I just hear Louisa go, ah! And then I come out and she's dropped her container of food right at the end of the night after a big day down on the ground. So, but it's all clean now, so it's all good.
It was actually just a broccoli.
Okay, it was just a broccoli, but you made it sound like it was a lot more.
Yeah, I thought it was.
All right, let's get some food into us. Yum, 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 yum. But there you have it. We started this vlog, what time this morning?
That was at 6.
Around
I'm pretty
6.
sure.
And you've seen pretty much everything
Yeah.
that we have done today. And that is one of our
What's the time now?
many crazy days. Right now is
7.
19:23.
So almost 7:30. So we're now just gonna eat. Oh, I got rice in my hair. We're now gonna eat dinner, watch a TV show, just chill for a bit before.
Supercell is what we're watching at the moment.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Haven't decided if we like it now. Or, yeah.
But gonna get some sleep and see you guys on the next vlog.
Yes. Thank you for watching. See you.
Hey doll.
Hey doll.
Oh, and I forgot to say, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with a friend because, you know, we're just going to keep doing this because we love it, but we need support. So comment below. Do that. Thank you. Love heart. Louisa, come finish off this love heart. Quick, 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 quick. Yeah, boom. There it is. See you on the next one.